Today, I'm gonna show you how to check your tire pressure. Checking your tire pressure is actually very important. More important than what you think, because a couple of things, it's gonna help you keep your MPG as efficient as possible, but it's also gonna keep you safe on the road. One of the main things about tire pressure is that there are two values most people don't know. There's the maximum pressure that the tire will allow, and there's the operating pressure. The maximum pressure, let me show you here really quick. It's actually printed on the tire, and pretty much, for example, this tire, the maximum pressure, it's 51 psi. So what that means basically is the amount of air you can put in the tire without jeopardizing the structure of the tire. But that's not the actual operating pressure, and that's not the amount of air that you have to put or you should put in the tire. In order to know the actual operating value, the operating pressure, you can either find it on your owner's manual, or you go here on the door. There's this the tire sticker, okay? It says the original tire size, and it also shows you the ideal cold tire pressure, which is the operating pressure. On this vehicle, it's 35 psi. So what you do, you already know the ideal psi, the pressure that your tires should have. So you can buy these tools anywhere, any auto store. I don't think they're more than $10, probably less. You can keep it in your car, so if you feel that one of the tires is low, you can use it and double check. So all you do is you already know the value, so you go here and undo the cap for the valve. You got it, and then you grab your tool and you just put it on the on the valve. So this one is reading 30 psi. Let's see if we can get it with the camera. 30. So we need to put 5 pounds of pressure in the tire. So it's a little bit low. You do that with all your 4 tires and check that your tire pressure is proper. That's it, what we have. Obviously, if it's low, go ahead and make sure that you put air in the tire. So like I said, you keep your MPG as efficient as possible, and you stay safe on the road. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.